Hello viewers, welcome to Rs.1800. Today I have this JBL Flip 5 Bluetooth speaker which has battery issue. So I am going to replace the battery of this JBL Flip 5 Bluetooth speaker. Alright, this is the original battery of JBL Flip 5. So I am going to take out the old battery from this speaker and I am going to install this new battery to this Bluetooth speaker. This battery is also for sale here in Rs.1800. If you would like to buy this is the original battery of JBL Flip 5. If you want to buy this, please do message on the above WhatsApp number. Price is given in the title and in the description. So now I am going to show you how to replace this battery. So to replace this battery, I have to take out this mesh here. So just by prying it, I can take out the grill here. Like this you can pry. It's very easy to replace the battery of this Flip 5. This is TT series of Flip 5. So the mesh has come out just by spreading it apart. You can take out the mesh. Now there are 4 screws here that we have to take out. So I am going to take that out using the Phillips screwdriver. So that's it. You can take out. The screws are very lengthy. We have to take that out so that you may not miss it. So now slowly taking this apart, there will be clips here. You have to take the clips out. Like this it will come out. That's it. You can take out this cover. Now it is very easy to access the battery. To access the battery, you have to take out this side's base radiator, that is right side's base radiator, because this left side is speaker is there. This way, this is the left side and this is the right side. So left side the speaker is there. So it is written here, you can see R is written here. This is right side. So if you take out this base radiator, then we can access the battery here. There are 4 locks clips here, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So just by lifting like this slowly, this will come out very easily like this. So this is the passive radiator, base radiator. Alright, now we have to take the 4 screws of this driver so that we can push the motherboard little bit this side outside so that we can take out the battery easily. So just by pulling this, it will come out like this. So I'm going to keep this speaker separately. We have to take out this, zooming in. Now we have to just lift this clip to pull out this flux cable like this, so that you can push the motherboard other side like this. Again, now I am going to take out this flux cable here like this. Now you can push it easily to that side. You can take out the flux cable from this side or the same cable which is connected here, that you can take out. Since this is glued, I don't want to take this side, so I have taken out this side. Now I am going to take out this sticker here. This is protection, just to not come out. Just by pulling this. This is the battery connection. So it's difficult to take out from this. That is the reason I have taken this flex cable. Now by slightly sliding this to the other side. Be careful. You can see the motherboard goes slightly that side. No need to take out the complete motherboard. Now you can lift the battery connector easily. You can see the connector has come out. Now the battery will come out easily. So this is the old battery which is of no use. So this is the fresh battery, brand new battery of JBL Flip 5, this right one. So you can see both are same. This is not copy, this is 100% original. You can see same to same battery. So if you want to buy this battery, brand new battery, just do message on the above WhatsApp number. Price I will give it in the title and in the description. You can just buy this battery and follow the steps to replace the battery of this JBL Flip 5 TT series. Alright, the battery of other series also is same battery, so no need not worry. So this is the fresh battery I am going to install here. As easy as that, just like this. This is enough. Now again I am going to insert the clip. Just put inside these cables, sliding the motherboard that side. That's it, this part is over. So now I'm going to close this. Just match the holes here. There are 2 holes in the passive radiator. These 2 holes. That is one reference. There are so many reference. There is a marking here. This will sit here. Let's just keep on that position, and just by pressing inside, this will get locked. You can see now this is perfectly fitted. Now I am going to install this flex cable. This is the main power control board flex cable. So this is the control board, main control board, and the flex cable of this control board goes here. So the battery is installed, just we have to put the speaker here and refix the other covers here as well. Before that, let's charge this and check. I have connected the charger. This you can see the battery is almost full. It's almost 80% above, so it is working perfectly. Alright, now just I will put the covers back just by pressing like this. It will go. Now I'm going to put the 4 screws and I will put the speaker here and I will come back. Alright, the speaker is fixed. So before installing the speaker, put that silicone rubber air seal. Alright, now I am going to install these 4 screws. Alright, 4 screws is installed, tightened. Now just I am going to put this cover here. That's it. So the speaker, the battery of the JBL Flip 5 Bluetooth speaker has been replaced, and you can see it is charging. So it is more than 80% now. So alright, this is the way you can replace, and if you want to buy this battery, please do message on this above WhatsApp number. So there is no cash on delivery option as of now, it is not available. So once you pay the full amount, then it will be shipped, the battery will be shipped to your address as per your given address, and the receipt will be shared to your WhatsApp number. It will be shipped using India Post Speed Post. There will be receipt, in that tracking number will be there. You can track the shipment as well. Alright, so this is the battery you are going to get, and the price is given in the title and in the description. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz 360 and hit that notification bell icon, and write comment in the comment section below if you have any queries. Just hit that like button so that my effort will be paid off and it will be appreciated. Thanks for watching. Bye.